Hello! In today's Korbo games, we're going to train our memory and concentration skills. What do we need? At least 2 workstations. Next, some Korbo elements. Finally, 2 pegs. How are we going to work? To begin with, we create a simple pattern. 1, 2, 3. Then we observe it and analyze it for a moment. Next, we cover the pattern. Now, our task is to build the exact same pattern on the second workstation without peeking. Remember to use pegs to hold the elements. So let's take the first gear. It's not only memory that's important here, but also the precision of our moves. We concentrate on placing the blocks precisely, so we pay less attention to our memory skills. It's possible that we can forget even the easiest pattern. Okay, it's ready. Now we can check. Great, it's exactly the same. Of course, you can make this task more challenging by using more colors or, for example, more elements or even more layers of the pattern. Good luck! Bye for now!